Welcome back to Rip Kings, guys. This is Matt. Thanks so much for coming out. We are moving on to the second break of the night, which is 2014 Topps Chrome Baseball Hobby Case. First case, got to admit, was pretty dang good. Hopefully we can mimic that here on case two. So, let's run the random. Here we go. In the break, we have Brett W, Colton R, Jimmy B, King M, James C, Michael B times 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe that's 5. Jason H, Justin H, Joe E times 2, Jason H again. Byung Yu, Abel M, Joe E times 2, Throw times 2, Jason H again. K Pappas and Sheldor times 2. The evil Sheldor. All right, 3 times, guys. Here we go. Good luck. 1. Mike B up top. Brad W on bottom. 2. Jason H up top, Joey on bottom. 3. Sheldor up top, Mike B on bottom. All right, those are the names. Teams are coming at you next. All right. Here we go. Team me. Number 1, Braves up top. Rays on bottom. Number 2, Phillies A's on top. Tigers on bottom. And number 3, I don't think the top couple spots moved. And Marlins on bottom. All right, let's make this a little bigger. Here we go. Here comes the team. Sheldor, Indians and Royals. Thrilla, Pirates and Cubs. Jimmy B with the Mets. Justin with the Mariners. Byung-Ju with the Dodgers. Jason H with the Blue Jays. Joe E, Phillies, A's, Giants, Reds, Rockies. King with the Astros. Somehow I managed to get this huge fly in my basement, and he will not leave me alone. Mike B with the Rangers, Joe E with the Braves, K Pappas with the Cardinals, Brad W with the D-backs, Mike B with the Orioles, James C with the Tigers, Thrilla with the White Sox, Colton with the Brewers, Sheldor with the Rays, Jason H, Padres and Twins, Mike B with the Angels, Abel with the Nationals, Mike B with the Yankees, Jason H with the Red Sox, and Mike B with the Marlins. All right, guys, I'm going to go and get this saved. If you guys want to do any trading, please do it quickly in the next 2 minutes or so. Tune's coming back on. Is it paused? There we go. All right, guys, get your potential trades in. Anything happening? I don't see anything happening. We're going to start. What's the trade? What's the trade? Guys, what's the trade? All right, Mets for Blue Jays. Very nice of you, Jason. All right, y'all, here we go. Very nice of you, Jason. I know you did that out of the goodness of your heart. Here we go, y'all. Let's get the party started. Jason, you're a good dude. Now, if you would just come to Cleveland to hang out with us. I didn't understand that there was another trade. Rube Dog, who are you? You're trading the Brewers for the Royals? Ustreamer 614581. I don't. The Royals don't even have a team. They're a combo team. All right. Rube Dog 87 or Ustreamer 614581. Who are you? I need a name on who you are before I can give a trade. I mean, I need people signed in to complete trades, guys. If you're not signed in, I can't give away somebody else's teams in a trade without knowing it's you here in the room. So, if you guys want to make a trade, that's fine. I just need both members signed in because I don't think that whoever that person is, I don't think that that's their teams to trade away. Because the Royals weren't by themselves anyway. They were a combo team. Anyways, here we go. Refractor, Michael Choice. X-Fractor, Kuroda. And Refractor, Alex Cobb. Top shelf, Cargo. Refractor, Dustin Pedroia. X-Fractor, Anthony Rizzo. Refractor, Kevin Segrist. Where's that base auto at? There you are. J.R. Murphy for the Yankees. Die cut, Adam Jones and Jose Abreu. Who are the Tigers playing? Fractor, Steven Strasburg. Tanaka. Nolan Arenado. David Wright. Knock this last auto out here. Should be due color refractor too. I don't think we've got a color refractor yet in this box. Justin Verlander. Refractor, Alexi Ramirez. Oops, sorry, Alexi. 89, Abreu. X-Fractor, Hosmer. Refractor, Robbie Erlin. And Dean Anna auto. 2 Yankees base autos in box 1. That's not pulling heat. Was there no color in that first box? No color refractors in box 1. Very weird. That's the first box I've opened that did not have any color refractors in it. Time for a little Bryce Harper boom. Don't forget the Nationals have Mr. Walters in here too, Utley, who's selling very well. X-Fractor Samardzija, Refractor Justin Upton, Blue Refractor Arenado, Miguel Cabrera, Refractor insert. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Maybe they're saving up an extra one to give us a Superfractor. I don't know. I have no idea what it means. You guys are speaking in code. I can't break it all down. Ryan Zimmerman Refractor. Cargo Refractor. Yu Darvish X-Fractor. Brad Miller Refractor. We got Refractor Inc. For the White Sox, the wrong White Sox. Eric Johnson out of 75. I thought that might be our boy Abreu, but it's not. Low numbered auto. Wrong guy. Too low. Wrong guy. Brandon Moss Refractor. Chase Headley X-Fractor. Shin-Soo Choo Refractor. Got a black refractor? Sure do. For the Yankees, Brian McCann out of 100. 74 out of 100. You'd run down the street naked if we pulled Stroman Superfractor? Alright, I want video confirmation. If I pull it, I'm not shipping it until we have video confirmation of you running up and down the street at least 1 block each way naked. Once video has been received, then card will be shipped. Jonathan Schoop. Auto for the Mets, Wilmer Flores. You think I'm kidding? That card ain't going out until I got video confirmation. Hanley die cut. Joey Votto, Miggy Cabrera, and Jose Bautista. The deal is set. Verbal agreement made, written agreement made. We're good. We're ready to do this. Here we go. Refractor, CC Sabathia for the Yankees. X-Fractor as Drupal Cabrera, Jordan Zimmerman. Top shelf, Max Scherzer. I know all about that, my friend. I know what that's all about, Jimmy. Fractor, David Ortiz. X-Fractor, Jason Hayward. Refractor, Jose Ramirez. For the Indians, Jose Ramirez. Auto, Felix Hernandez. And Francisco Liriano. Blue refractor for the White Sox, Marcus Semien. Lots of White Sox, wrong guy. X-Fractor, Matt Moore. Greg Holland. Aroldis Chapman. One more auto here. Refractor, Giancarlo Stanton. Paul Goldschmidt. X-Fractor, Dustin Pedroia. Refractor, Onelki Garcia for the Dodgers. Oh my God. For the White Sox, refractor auto, not Jose Abreu. Eric Johnson out of $4.99. This reminds me of Ethan Martin from the last case. There's Mikey Trout. This is what we call a tease. Have I got a little story for you? Yeah, it's true. Good point. Felix Hernandez. Blue refractor, Anthony Rizzo. X-Fractor, Mike Moustakas. Zach Wheeler refractor. Top shelf, Robbie Cano. Anything this very day. This fly keeps buzzing my tower. I swear to God, I'm going to flip out. Sonny Gray. Prince Fielder. I think we got a black refractor. Could be ink. I don't know. Hanley Ramirez. Nelson Cruz. For the Cardinals, black refractor auto out of 100. Colton Wong. Yu Darvish. The base color averages maybe like 1.5 per box. About every other box you get 2. Every now and then you'll get a random 3 in a box. And obviously you saw earlier we had 1 box that had none. That's the first one of those I had seen. Refractor Justin Upton. Billy Hamilton. Clayton Kershaw. Yasiel Puig Sepia out of 75 for the Dodgers. Nice card. And Jose Abreu. Brad Miller Refractor. Buster Posey. Josh Donaldson X-Fractor. Refractor Carl Crawford. And our base auto is, for the Cardinals, Kevin Segrist. Yeah, fly's driving me crazy. Robbie Cano. I don't know where they came from. All of a sudden, randomly today, I had some flies in here. And I killed a few of them. Apparently, I didn't kill all of them, so I got one driving me crazy. You got too much horse poop around, bro. Box 5. We got some catching up to do to get caught up to the last case. Julio Teheran Refractor. X-Fractor Christian Betancourt. Jose Bautista Refractor. Top shelf Mikey Trout. Nice. Nice move, Jimmy. I had the joy of running around gathering up some frogs yesterday. That was interesting. Garrett Cole. Black Refractor for the Cubs, Jeff Samardzija out of 100. X-Fractor Tanaka for the Yankees. Nice card. Refractor Mikey Trout. Terribly off-centered, unfortunately. Weird. Weird. No auto in the normal auto spot. First time the autos have not been where they were supposed to be. Interesting. I'm really hoping that doesn't mean we got shorted in auto. I'm hoping that just means that they actually moved it around. Dean Anna Refractor for the Yankees. Albert Pujols. X-Fractor, Trevor Rosenthal. Jeff Samardzija. For the Mariners, Abraham Almonte. I don't know anything about mud wasps. And there's a Tanaka die cut. Tell me about mud wasps. What do I need to know about them? Besides, apparently, it sounds like they really suck. I thought that was going to be an atomic. I don't think it is. Andrew Lambo. David Wright. X-Fractor. Anibal Sanchez. Chase Headley. So we got another base auto coming, huh? Oh my God. I told you it was like Ethan Martin. Base, ref, and sepia autos for Eric Johnson of the White Sox. Exactly like Ethan Martin last break, except Ethan Martin was blue refractor, not sepia. They build dirt mounds on your house? Why couldn't all three of those have been Jose Abreu's? Why they got to be Eric Johnson? Why couldn't they all been George Springer or Yordano Ventura or Gregory Polanco or somebody else? All right, Adam Jones. Black refractor for the Blue Jays. R.A. Dickey. Out of 100. X-Fractor, Johnny Cueto. Koji Uehara refractor for the Red Sox. George Springer, top shelf. Rug needs a hit, and I need to see a superfractor. Starlin Castro. Jacoby Ellsbury. Brandon Phillips. Abraham Almonte. Solarte. Refractor auto. $4.99 for the Yankees. Die cut, Matt Kemp. Gotta admit, Yankees seem to get lots of hits in this. I want to pull that Stroman Superfractor, and Jimmy, I'm holding it hostage until I have video. Fair warning. Your buddy can edit out, what they need to edit out on the video. But other than that, Freddie Freeman, you're in trouble. Blue, too low, $1.99 for the Rockies. Martin Prado X-Fractor. Jose Altuve Refractor. Time for some Tigers. Little Castellano Super Auto. Cole Hamels. Clayton Kershaw. Bryce Harper X-Fractor. George Springer Refractor. All right, where's that base auto? If it's Eric Johnson, I'm going to flip. Eddie Butler base auto. Dustin Pedroia. We got to pick it up, man. We got to pick it up. Last case was red hot. Where's our heat? Let's get hot. Let's get superlicious. think the tunes went out. Yeah. Everest Cabrera for the Padres. For the Marlins, Christian Yelich Sepia, 33 out of 75. It's been a little slow. Matt Davidson X-Fractor. Chris Davis Refractor. Top shelf, David Wright. Been a little slow. Last case kind of maybe set our expectations a little high. I don't know. Jake Marisnick. Troy Tulo. Jose Fernandez. Clay Buckle. Oh, we got a gold auto! Gold auto! We have a gold auto! Are you kidding me? Gotta be kidding me. 17 out of 50, Ethan Martin. Die cut, Jose Fernandez. Golly. Come on. Refractor, Carlos Beltran. I know somebody's happy with their Ethan. Matt Holliday. Sorry to cheer against or for you, you Darvish. Just wanted to see a monster. Boom! Matt Adams, 199. Wanted to see a monster. I'm happy for the Phillies. I just wanted to see one of those big boys, one of those big top fiver guys pop right there. Nick Castellanos, Mikey Trout, Chris Owings, John Lester, and Jonathan Shoup, base auto. Die cut Bryce Harper. All right, that was box 7. Shin-Soo Choo, Yordano Ventura, Evan Longoria, top shelf Hanley. Saving it up for the Mad Max. I don't think so. I don't think the Royals can keep it up. I really don't. I think they're on a great streak. I don't think they can last. I don't think they have lasting power. But I could be wrong. Jordan Zimmerman. Black non-auto Yadi Molina for the Cardinals. X-Fractor Zach Walters. Refractor Will Myers for the Rays. Not in its normal spot again. I just don't see it, but you never know. Jonathan Shoup. Tanaka. X-Fractor Pedro Alvarez. Grady Sizemore. Where's that base auto at? I know you're right here. There he is! Where have you been? Gosh, man, what would this break be without Ethan Martin? Unbelievable. We are now at 5 Ethan Martins in our less than 2 cases. In our 20 boxes so far, 5 Ethan Martins. Unbelievable. Redemption. Jose Ramirez. Robbie Cano. X-Fractor. Kenley Jansen. Alexi Ramirez. Adrian Beltre. Auto, rookie, base, variation, refractor. Boom! There he was. I gotta tell you guys, Stacy said that she watched more than 12 cases broken today and didn't see a single Abreu. And we've now opened less than 2 cases tonight and have 3 Abreus. And one's a refractor and one was out of 25. That's pretty crazy. Refractor, Adrian Beltre. X-Fractor, Rafael Montero. Refractor, Buster Posey. Top shelf, Dustin Pedroia. At what? Alright, now it's time to find that Superfractor. Brett Gardner, Refractor. Billy Hamilton. X-Fractor, Salvador Perez. Refractor, Brandon Belt. And where's that base auto? It's coming. For the Yankees, Solarte. Boy, we're all over doubling up this case. 2 Solartes, 3 Eric Johnsons, and 2 Ethan Martins so far. That's crappy. You wonder why we can't pull autos of the other guys. It's because it's all duplication. I'm calling it, though. Our next big auto is going to be either Springer or Polanco. Just calling it. Just putting it out there. Refractor, Andrelton Simmons. Tim Beckham Sepia for the Rays out of 75. X-Fractor, Evan Gattis. Refractor, Edwin Encarnacion. I'm a dum-dum. I thought that was the bottom of our stack, forgetting that we had the rest of the other 6 packs right here. My bad. Uh-oh, I see blue. Come on, baby, blue auto. Curtis Granderson. Andrew McCutchen. David Ortiz, X-Fractor. Christian Yelich. We got blue. Come on, baby. Big boy blue auto. For the Twins, Yasmil Pinto out of 199. Nice card. I'm a Pinto fan. I think he's going to be really good, actually. Nice card for the Twins. Clayton Kershaw. Cheer up, Jason. We all love you. You the man. Cheer up. It's time for some low-numbered base parallels. Oh, as I say it, there's a red. I was going to say, we haven't seen a red or a gold in this case. And a Wainwright. Come on, let's see an awesome rookie or like a Jeter or a Kershaw. Josh Hamilton. Cole Calhoun. Come on. Come on. See a stud rookie or like a Jeter or a Kershaw or somebody like that. Come on. For the Nationals, rookie, 18 out of 25, Tanner Roark. Yeah, with a gold, Ethan was an auto. I was talking about a base. Nice card for the Nats right there. That's a winner. Top shelf, Yasiel Puig. I meant base, non-autos. And then you should see 2 golds and a red. Maybe mix in an atomic or something, or a plate, or a super. But I mean, the golds and the reds you should get. Aaron Hill refractor. Ryan Braun. X-Fractor. Tulo. Refractor. Alex Guerrero for the Dodgers. And a base auto should be coming. There he is. Nick Martinez. Paul Goldschmidt. Yeah, that's a nice card. Tanner Roark's been great this year. I would think that'd be worth a little bit of coinage. Refractor, Cargo. X-Fractor, Shane Victorino. Fractor, Andrew McCutchen. And a whole bunch of base. Wow. Come on, Super. Super Auto. Super Auto. Come on. Let's see something silly. Let's just see a card downright silly come out. Doesn't look like it's coming in this stack. Brian McCann Refractor. Nick Castellanos. Joe Nathan X-Fractor for the Tigers. Tim Beckham Refractor. Come on. For the Marlins, Jake Marisnick. Well, that was a duty box for 2 base autos, wasn't it? David Wright die cut. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. 2 more boxes. All right, guys, good luck. Come on, let's see a big one. Let's find a way to pull another big one out of here. No, it's possible. Let's do it. I still can't believe that we pulled 3 Abreu's in 2 cases, knowing dang well that they're not easy to pull. Cliff Lee, blue refractor coming for the Diamondbacks, Martin Parado. X-Fractor, Andre Rienzo, Billy Butler. Top shelf, Adam Wainwright. Yeah, I think he's really strong, Jason. It looked like he got jammed, and he freaking hammered that thing. Definitely looked like he got jammed. Will Middlebrooks. Yu Darvish. Matt Latos. Kyle Seager. Refractor. Auto. 4. Oh, that's a nice one. For the Dodgers, Alexander Guerrero. That's the first one of his that I've pulled. Refractor auto. First one I've seen of him. Take that. Prince Fielder. I thought that was something special. Carlos Santana. X-Fractor, Tanner Rourke. Refractor, Ryan Howard. And these are one a case. These are one a case. Bryce Harper. That should be worth a few bucks. Nice card. Ooh. We got a gold? Gold out of nowhere? For the Mariners. Stephen Romero out of 50. Did not see that guy creep up on us. Rookie. Did not see that gold creep up on us. I would think we're going to have at least another gold base in the last box. Hard to believe we only have one gold in the whole case. Aoki for the Royals. Taiwan Walker. X-Fractor, Hyunjin Ryu. Refractor, David Robertson. Where are you, Otto? For the Rangers, Michael Torres. Die cut, Jason Kipnis. All right, we're going to take our 2 auto stacks, move them over here. We'll mix them up like we did last time and do the old 2 packs at a time. It worked well last time doing the Abreu dance. Maybe we'll do it again for a monster. Refractor, Gene Segura. Pablo Sandoval. Manny Machado. Blue refractor coming. For the Rangers, Nick Martinez. Telling you, man, Rangers everywhere. Jay Bruce, top shelf. Especially Nick Martinez. In my personal case, I pulled 2 autos of his and a gold refractor. I wanted to puke. Yasiel Puig refractor. Willen Rosario X-Fractor. Gio Gonzalez refractor. All right, we'll mix up these last 2 stacks. Figure out what to do with them. Do 2 packs at a time. Come on. Big color auto to finish. Refractor, Avisail Garcia. /89, Ken Griffey Jr. Refractor, Bryce Harper. X-Fractor, Carlos Martinez. X-Fractor, Carlos Gomez. Fractor, Eric Johnson. God, I thought we had another Eric Johnson auto. Boy, coming down to the last 6, huh? 2 autos and 6 packs. Come on, big color. Come on, big color. Refractor, Dexter Fowler. Die cut, Steven Strasburg. Wow. 2 autos, 4 packs. Let me get a drink of water here. Die cut again, Ian Kinsler. 2 autos, 3 packs. Oh, we got a base auto in here, so it's all base. For the Tigers, Tyler Collins. Base auto. Come on. Oh, we're going to end on 2 base autos. Yasmil Pinto for the Twins. Bummer. Last time we played it outright and had a nice big card in the last few packs. Dominic Brown, Refractor. Thanks everybody. Let me go get this video saved. I'll be right back.